Welcome back students in Holy Angel School and Junior College online classes. Class 6 Geography chapter number 8 Natural Resources. Students, in previous video we discussed about the equatorial evergreen forests and latitudinal distribution of the natural vegetation. Today we are going to continue this. You just observe the figure on page number 49. Show and as crying a loud man makes use of animal for a variety of reasons. Horse, oxen, camel, asses, etc. are the animal employed for plowing, riding, transporting goods, etc. Goats, cows, buffaloes are used as milk. Animal meat, eggs, bone, powder, hide, etc. are the other products we get from the animal. In figure 8.7, we show that rock is being loaded into a truck from the mining area. We have seen earlier that rock is a mixture of the minerals are inorganic substance that form in naturally occurring the chemical process. We get different metal and chemical form in the minerals. Some chemicals are used preparing different medicine. Minerals are generally classified as metallic and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are used for the obtaining metals such as iron, bauxite, etc. and non-metallic minerals are used obtaining the various chemicals like the gypsum, rock, salt, calcite, etc. In all the figures except for fishing, all the activities of obtaining natural resources are being carried out on land. This means the land is also natural resources. Living things that are born on land grow, live and die on land itself. Land is an invaluable resource. That is why it is sold or bought. Obtaining land at strategic location, using it for construction as well as trade are some other uses of these resources. Depending on the characteristics like physiography, soil, climate, minerals and availability of water in different regions of the world, land is used for various purposes. This proportion of land on earth is 29.20%. Depending on the characteristics of land and climate, various living things are found on the land in different proportion. The distribution of these living organisms, including human, is not uniform. All living things try to adapt to the various geographical conditions like a rocky terrain, steep slope, flat plains, mountainous region, forest covered area, river basin, etc. Man alone attempt to make changes in the prevailing condition to suit his need. Every living thing make use of natural resources according to its need. However, man started using many of these resources for himself alone with the help of his intellectual power. Later, the increase in population and the greed of human lead to exploitive use of resources. The began to upset the balance in nature. This means that it is necessary that man also must be the natural resources only according to his needs and in a justicious manner. Students, man fulfill their needs use of the natural resources. Because of that, we fulfill our need with the help of natural resources. Day to day population are increased. Because of that, जैसे दिन ब दिन पॉपुलेशन बढ़ती गई, उसकी वजह से नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज के ऊपर ज़्यादा प्रेशर आने लगा or some natural resources are limited. Because of that, we need to use it for according to our need. कुछ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस वो पुनर् तैयार नहीं हो सकते, तो इसकी वजह से हमें वो क्या करना है, पूरी देखभाल के साथ पूरी कम से कम उसका यूज़ करना ज़रूरी है. अगर हम वो नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज प्रॉपर यूज़ नहीं करेंगे तो इन फ्यूचर वो रिसोर्सेज हमारे फ्यूचर जनरेशन के लिए भी अवेलेबल नहीं हो सकते. इसीलिए कुछ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज हमें बहुत केयरफुली हैंडल करना नेसेसरी है. आई होप स्टूडेंट्स यू understood here this lesson. You need to read this lesson again and again. Thank you. Have a good day.